Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to practice using the strategy of multiples of 10 to help us divide. If you remember, last week we did lesson 6.1 and we worked with multiplication division diagrams. I'm going to show you a number story in just a second and then show you the multiplication division diagram that goes along with it. Here's our number story. A box holds 6 chocolates. How many boxes are needed for 134 chocolates? We know that we're dividing 134 into boxes. So that's a division problem. There's 4 different ways you can write division problems. Up here you see 134 divided by 6, 134 divided by 6, 134 divided by 6. You can also write it as a fraction, 134 divided by 6. If we took this information from our number story and put it in a multiplication division diagram, it would look like this. I chose the variable b for boxes, and that's what we're looking for. How many boxes do we need? We know that 6 chocolates.
Sarah Rivera, call the office. Sarah Rivera, call the office.
6 chocolates fit in each box, and we have 134 total chocolates to divide up into these boxes. So some of you may think, well, what times 6 equals 134? That can be kind of tricky when we're working with these large numbers. So I'm going to teach you a strategy to help you. Again, the strategy's name is the multiples of 10 strategy. So let me go back to this whiteboard. Our first step is to start with the first multiple of 10. I need to think. Let's see here. Are there 10 sixes in 134? Well, yes, because I know that 10 sixes equals 60. That's far less than the number I'm looking for. I'll write it up here so we remember. 134. So I'm going to go to my next multiple of 10. The next multiple of 10 is 20. Because I know my extended multiplication fact, this is really easy to do. 10 sixes was 60. 20 sixes is 120. 120 is pretty close to the number of chocolates I need to divide up into boxes. Let me see if our next multiple of 10, which would be 30, if 30 sixes would be enough. 3 times 6 is 18, and I tack on the 0. 180 chocolates could be divided into 30 boxes. That is way too many. Well, I know that 10 sixes was too few, 30 sixes is too many, so I'm going to focus on this right here. 20 sixes equals 120. That's fairly close to the number of chocolates I need to divide up into my boxes, but it's not quite right. If I'm at 120, can I put any more chocolates in a box? What if I had 21 sixes? 21 sixes would be 120 plus 6 more. That would be 126. Could I do 22 sixes? 22 sixes would be 126 plus 6. I know that is 132. Wow, I'm really close now. Remember, I'm trying to find the total number of boxes needed for 134. I would need 22 boxes. How many chocolates would be left over? I know that 134 minus 132 would give me 2 chocolates left over. My answer then is 22 boxes with a remainder of 2 chocolates. Let's try another one.